Hello everybody, I'm glad to see you at this lecture, and today's topic is strategic management. First of all, when we talk about strategic management, we must say that rather many leaders often do the same mistake. They try to be the best at any cost. For example, they want the best product to be developed or the highest sales volume. These are very good objectives, however, this is not a strategic way of thinking. According to Michael Porter, you don't need to be necessarily the best, but you need to be unique. In other words, produce items or services not the way your competitors do. As we know, there are two different approaches to competitive advantages. The first one is when you use the attractiveness of the market in your favor, while the second one is strategic positioning. If to say briefly about market attractiveness, there are markets that are generally attractive for setting up a new business, and there are markets which are less attractive. But within the scopes of our lecture we will talk more about strategic positioning. In turn, there are two ways of strategic positioning. The first one is making your prices lower than the prices of your competitors, while the second is even more effective. It is making something in a different way. If we follow the second one, question may arise. What exactly should we do, and how can we make our strategy really effective? And the answers are as follows. Create a unique value, manage a value chain appropriately, and correctly formulate and choose the strategic alternatives. Unique value doesn't mean that your product or service must be necessarily innovative in terms of high-tech, for example. But it must be definitely innovative in your approach to value creation for a client. For example, in Russia, some fitness trends and trends of healthy lifestyle have become really popular not long ago at all, 2 or maybe 3 years. As a result, the new types of fast food restaurants appeared. And some of them who managed to catch this very popular trend at the very beginning have become really successful. We will study one of such cases in details in a classroom. Value chain management means that you can increase or decrease the number of stages of value creation, and as a result it can strengthen your competitive advantage, for example, making a price more affordable or higher quality. And the last but not least are strategic alternatives. That means answering the questions: what my company will definitely do and what it will not do, never. An example is as follows. An owner of the chain of fitness clubs in one of the Russian big cities, should he open 2 more clubs in a business segment in addition to clubs already existing? Or should he take some risks and open them in an absolutely new segment, such as premium light? This particular case we will also study in a classroom. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you at the next lecture.